Hello everyone. This is question number 9, ICSE board paper mathematics class 10th. Question number 9, there are three parts. First part is solve the following in equation. Write the solution set and represent on the real number line. Now solution is first write the in equation -1 less than 2x minus 3 upon 3 minus x upon 5 less than equal to 1, x belongs to real number. Now -1 less than, you take the LCM 15, 3 5 the 15, 5 into this 5 to the 10x minus 5 3 the 15 minus 5 3 the 3 into x less than equal to 1. Now you multiply all the three terms by 15. Multiply all the three terms by 15 mean you get minus 15 less than 10 minus 3, 7x minus 15 less than equal to 15. Now you have to remove minus 15 from the center. You add plus 15. You add 15 on all of to the three terms. When you add 15, you get 0 less than 7x less than equal to 30. Now हमें सिर्फ x चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे, 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे all the three terms. Divide by 7 all the three terms. 0 upon 7 is 0. 7x upon 7 mean x less than equal to 30 upon 7. बेसिकली हमें बीच में x रखना है और बाकी नंबर लेफ्ट में और राइट में. नो इसके बाद आपका सोल्यूशन सेट आपने लिखना है. हाउ टू राइट द सोल्यूशन सेट. Solution set, this is a real number line. You have to write in the set builder form x such that 0 less than x less than equal to 30 upon 7 comma x belongs to R. This is a real number line. Now this is solution set. How to draw the real number line. रियल नंबर लाइन में एक लाइन ड्रा करो, बोथ साइड आप एरो बनाओगे एंड बीच में लिखो 0. दिस इज 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, जितने मर्जी नंबर लिख लो. दिस इज 4 पॉइंट समथिंग, 30 पॉइंट समथिंग, 4 पॉइंट समथिंग, 1 2 3 4 5 और इधर एक नेगेटिव टर्म लिख लो -1. दिस इज अ रियल नंबर लाइन. नाउ हाउ टू ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन. 0 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड, x इज ग्रेटर देन 0, तो 0 पर आपका बनेगा एम्प्टी सर्कल. 30.7 को हमने इंक्लूड करना है. 30.7 मीन 4 पॉइंट समथिंग, 4.7 for the 20th, 27 20 20 mean 7 to the 14 7, or you write in the mixed fraction 4 2 upon 7. Now how to plot 4 2.7. After 4 you make the 7 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this 7. तो 7 part में 2.7 mean second part. This is your answer. Now here you write original 30.7 and this is included. Real number में this is included mean here will be एक dark circle बनेगा. It means the number is included and this 0 is not included. In between there are infinite number of real numbers. So you can dark it. इसको अच्छी तरह डार्क कर दो so that it will be visible to the examiner when he checks. This is a number line. This was This was question number 9, first part. Now, second part. Second part is use the following answer the given equation. Write the coordinates of A, B, C. Find the equation of a line passing through the midpoint of AC and parallel to AB. Find the equation of the line. This is a question on straight line. Equation on straight line. What is asked? Here it is asked, write the coordinates of A, B, C. Very simple. Solution A is equal to, from the figure, this is 4, 8. This is 4, 8. B is minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. And C is 6, 2. 6, 2. These are the coordinates of A, B, C. First part is done. Now second part, find the equation of the line passing through the midpoint of AC and parallel to AB. Midpoint of AC find कर लो. Midpoint of AC, let it be M. A is 4, 8. C is 6, 2. You know the formula of midpoint, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. Let it be xy. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, which is equal to 4 plus 6 upon 2, 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. Now next, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 upon 2, which is equal to 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. You got the value of midpoint. M is equal to 5, 5. तो पॉइंट तो आपको मिल गया. अब आपको चाहिए स्लोप. स्लोप के लिए क्या करना है आपने, इसमें लिखा है इक्वेशन लाइन थ्रू मिड पॉइंट of AC and parallel to AB. Parallel to AB mean if the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. You find the slope of AB. Slope of AB. This is A, this is B. What is A? 4, 8 and B is what? Minus 1, 2. How to find slope? When 2 points are given, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 minus 8 upon minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to 6 minus 6 upon minus 5, which is equal to 6.5. You got the slope also. Now equation of the line थ्रू मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC एंड पैरेलल टू AB. तो इसमें स्लोप हम सेम यूज करेंगे बिकॉज देयर लाइंस आर पैरेलल. यू कैन राइट हेयर इक्वेशन ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन, और यू कैन से इक्वेशन लाइन थ्रू मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC एंड पैरेलल टू AB. तो फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन इज सफिशिएंट. y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now this is x1 y1, the point which you got, this is m, this is x1 y1. आप इसको लोगे थ्रू मिड पॉइंट था ये. तो दिस इज 5 इक्वल टू 6 upon 5, सेम स्लोप बिकॉज लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, एंड x1 is also 5. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, you get 5y minus 25 is equal to 6x minus 30. Now you write in the standard form. पहले x की टर्म लिखो, फिर y की टर्म लिखो, फिर नंबर लिखो फॉर इक्वल टू 0. तो 6x माइनस 5y माइनस 30 प्लस 25 इक्वल टू 0, ये सारे उधर ले जाओ, तो यू गेट 6x माइनस 5y माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज योर आंसर. तो स्लोप इज 5, 5 and equation is this. Both are the answers. So this was question on straight line and question number 9 का second part. Next, third part. Question number 9 का third part. This is a question on mensuration. This is a combined figure. And find the total surface area of the figure. A solid wooden toy is prepared by joining a core, a cylinder and a sphere as shown in the figure. Diagram is given. The radius of each of three solid is 7 centimeter, 7, 7 and 7 centimeter. The height of each of the cone cylinder is 24. This is 24, this is 24. Find the total surface area of the given solid and cost of painting the total surface at the rate of 0.50 per centimeter square. The pi value is given. Now find the total surface area. You know हमें इसको पेंट भी करना है, तो ये जो सर्कल है, ये स्फीयर जो है, it is only touching the figure. Here we can solve total surface area. So, total surface area of the solid of the toy. तो हम पेंट तो नीचे भी करेंगे, यहाँ भी करेंगे और यहाँ भी करेंगे. दिस इज ओनली टचिंग द सरफेस. तो इसलिए टोटल सरफेस एरिया में सबके टोटल सरफेस एरिया ही यूज़ होंगे. दिस इज स्फीयर का टोटल सरफेस एरिया 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. सिलेंडर का टोटल सरफेस एरिया 2 पाई आर प्लस एच प्लस कोन का सरफेस एरिया टोटल पाई आर प्लस एल, विच इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर एच प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस पाई आर एल. You know the radius of three solid is same, so you can add them. 4 pi r square, 2 pi r square, pi r square. 7 pi r square plus 2 pi rh plus pi rl. Now take common, pi r common. Pi r common, 7r plus 2h plus L. L is the slant height. You know the slant height is by using Pythagoras you can find this slant height. This is 24 height, this 7. By Pythagoras you can find L square plus H square, which is equal to 7 square plus 24 square, 49 plus 5, 76, which is equal to 625. Now L is equal to 25 centimeter. Now you can use pi is 22 upon 7. R is 7, bracket में 7 into R is 7, height is 24 of the cylinder plus slant height of the cone is 25. You cancel 7, which is equal to 22 into 49 plus 48 plus 25, which is equal to 22 into what? 5 plus 8, 13 plus 9, 22, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. Now you multiply 122 into 22, 22 to the 44, 22 to the 44 plus 4, 48, 22, 1 plus 4, 26. The answer is 2684 centimeter square, because the units of area is square unit. Here centimeter mean centimeter square. Now find the cost of the painting. Cost of the painting. Cost of painting at the rate of 0.5 per centimeter square is equal to 0.50 into 2684, which is equal to 50 upon 100 into 2684, 50 to the and 2 1342, which is equal to rupees 1342 answer. So this was question 1342. This was question number 9, third part. That's it. My dear students, if you like my explanation, please like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.